Everything in the universe vibrates. Long before physics measured the frequencies of space, ancient architects built structures that physically interacted with human biology. That practice didn't disappear, it evolved. Modern architects still map universal mathematical patterns directly into structural design to guide how people move and feel inside a space. Today, we will apply those exact principles directly to your own home. By calculating your personal cosmic frequency, you can use math-based rules to transform a standard everyday room into a tailored healing sanctuary. We are treating interior design as a biological tuning fork, a way to actively repair and heal your cellular structure. Step 1 is calculating the foundational numerology tied to the exact day and place you were born. Let's take a specific example. If you were born on March 24th, 1991, you add each individual digit of that date together. 2 plus 4 plus 3, and so on, until you reduce it down to a single or double digit. For this date, the math gives us the master number 11. Next, we find your base frequency. To do this, multiply that life path number by your birth month. Since March is the third month, we multiply 11 by 3, landing squarely at 33. And to fully lock in the environmental context, we factor in the birth location. For this example, that brings us to Buffalo, New York. 33 is your personalized mathematical blueprint. It's the numerical foundation you need to tune your physical environment. Step 2 is connecting that blueprint to the world around you. The number 33 perfectly matches the Earth's natural planetary hum, the Schumann Resonance. Our planet literally emits a base frequency right at 33.8 Hertz. We combine this with your astrological biology. A late March birthday means you are in Aries. Characteristically, this zodiac sign is driven by a fiery, high-voltage nervous system that processes energy at high speeds. Because this 11 influence runs hot and fast, you need an acoustic frequency that mathematically anchors you to the Earth. 432 Hertz provides this grounding because it is a precise harmonic subdivision of the 86,400 seconds in a single Earth rotation. To see why this matters, look at your cells. The water inside you is actually a structured gel, what researchers call liquid light, that acts as a biological battery. When exposed to 432 Hertz, this gel organizes from chaotic particles into flawless geometric patterns. These symmetrical patterns increase the cell's ability to store and distribute energy. By reorganizing this liquid light, the frequency brings your internal biology into a state of coherence with the planetary environment. Now that we have the frequency, step 3 is translating that 432 Hertz sound into the physical dimensions of your room. We convert sound to shape by matching acoustic frequencies to sacred geometry. At a 432 Hertz baseline, geometric angles form perfect musical chords. A 360-degree shape dictates squares and circles, while 540 degrees creates pentagons. You apply these geometric rules directly to your furniture layout. Instead of pushing rigid couches against walls, you arrange circular, communal seating to encourage the flow of that resonant energy. Once the shapes are placed, you align the room's main focal point, like a desk or a meditation cushion, directly with the cardinal points of the compass, north, south, east, or west. This exact method of locking geometric shapes to cardinal points and natural light is the foundation of ancient architectural marvels. Locking your interior design into sacred geometry and cardinal directions anchors your nervous system directly to the Earth's energetic grid. Step 4 brings the space to life. We integrate biophilic design, the use of natural elements, specifically tailored to your astrological birth chart. Because an Aries thrives on the fire element, we maximize light. You strategically place mirrors to capture and reflect dynamic morning sunlight across your newly aligned seating. The most effective spaces blend living nature with structural design seamlessly. You can replicate this on a smaller scale. Incorporate living plants and introduce flowing water features over natural surfaces like stone or clay right inside the room. When sunlight hits that moving water over a natural surface, it creates what physicists call an exclusion zone. This structures the water molecules, and it generates a localized flowing biofield. These natural elements generate an active energy quality that continuously feeds your biological system. The room operates as a functional biofield, stabilizing the energy of everyone inside. We have taken a standard room and completely rebuilt its energetic structure, moving from abstract math and sound to a fully realized physical sanctuary. The shapes, the layout, the lighting, and the materials are now all perfectly in tune with your biology. You calculated your cosmic math, tuned to your astrological sound, drafted sacred geometry, and integrated living biophilia. By designing the space that hums at your exact cosmic frequency, you achieve resonant inner peace and profound cellular healing. Now, it's time to begin designing your universe.